Hello, everyone. It is Mark Holthe, Canadian immigration lawyer, back with another Express Entry question and answer. Today's question is all about foreign work experience. Can you count it while you're studying? That's the question. All right. I probably get at least, 3 or 4 questions every week from people asking this exact thing. Does foreign work experience while you're studying count for the federal skilled worker program? Well, the short answer is more than likely yes. But let me show you where we're getting that. So I'm going to flip over here to, there it is. Let's take a look at the actual site. So this is the source of all goodness. Now, they have updated this over the years. It didn't always have clear answers to this question. But this is the eligibility for the federal skilled worker program. When we scroll down here, you can see as we jump down and we look at all of this, I'm not going to jump through all of the requirements, but as long as your work experience meets everything that's listed here, if we jump down to the bottom, they specifically address this question. Okay. Student work experience gained while you were studying, they say may count towards your minimum requirements if the work was paid, was continuous, no gaps, and meets all other requirements of the program. So short answer is yes, if you're outside of Canada and you're working and you are also studying at the same time, and maybe that education actually relates to your program of, your program of study relates to the work that you're doing. And when you look on the NOC code, it says that you need that education in order to claim that work experience. Well, you can pretty much ignore that, because if you're overseas, you're studying while you're working, it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant. All you have to do is make sure, once again, if I get to the right screen here, make sure that you meet all the program requirements and that your work was paid and continuous and all of these program requirements right here, that it's all in the same NOC within the last 10 years. We talked about paid, that it was continuous, at least 30 hours a week, or if it's part-time, then it's over 24 months. All of that information, that should be the thing that really drives your decision-making as to whether or not you can count it. Now, I want to share one other quick thing with you. If we shift over here to the Canadian Experience class, this is where the confusion arises, because many people who do not read instructions carefully and understand this is just the policy. I'm not going into the actual regulations, but trust me, they say the same things. If you scroll down here, they actually have a box that's specifically highlighted. If it's Canadian work experience gained while you were a full-time student, then even if it's a co-op work term, it doesn't count towards the minimum requirements of the program, whether or not you were paid or otherwise. So that's the common misconception that many people have when they're trying to determine whether or not they can actually count their foreign work experience while they were studying. If it's for the federal skilled worker program, thumbs up, no issues. All right, guys, smash that like button. The more likes, the more I like. All right, take care. We will see you again soon with another Express Entry Q&A.